us. We're just getting some shit done.
Getting it done. Yeah, it's only 20 after 5. Moving. Which is good.
So we call Peter and tell him there's a pickup at 8?
Oh, no. No, because we got to do brake wheel cylinders and stuff, too.
Yeah, no, there's a lot.
No.
There's a lot of chores here.
But he might be able to drive it home next Tuesday.
Well, we got, I mean, the box of parts is like down where you can see the floor of it now.
Okay.
So that's
Yeah.
You're good to go.
All right.
Just get that ready.
All right.
Spindles. Control arms. We'll put the lowers in. That looks really good. Look at that. Spring seats are in. Wow. All right. So go ahead and put a 90-degree zerk. Let me in.
Oh,
There we go.
how do you like them apples?
There you go. This side you can get to with the grease gun.
Yeah,
That one you
this
can't.
one's verkocht.
Yeah. So uppers in. Good and tight. Uppers in. Lowers in. We need to put our shims in, and then we tighten that baby up. Then we can actually put our spindle on. Our spring, our spindle, and we can start on our steering.
What about the springs?
Yeah, I just said that.
Oh, what about the springs, Bobby?
I already said springs. And the
Hey,
chops.
you want to double check I didn't put that up?
Oh, hey! Chris is here. Yeah, go ahead and pull the other one so you can change that zerk. There you go.
All right.
I'm going to get this snugged up. Yay!
Hi.
Hey!
All right, Peter.
Look it.
Done yet?
We cranked a lot. We actually got here early. We did the extra credit.
We're the-
Because we wanted the car to move.
You want it out of here.
Yeah.
What are we doing now?
All right. So now we're getting our lower control arms in. We saw earlier Wick pressing in the bushings. So like
Oh, that's
415.
I think that retains the brake line.
Well, no, we just a couple of us came over.
Did you put all 5 on one side, Bobby, or?
What? No, I split them.
Okay. You found the other 2, or no?
Yeah, we're good.
Oh,
Yeah,
they
we're
found
good.
them. They
We're
found
good.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you have all of them?
Yeah, we have all of them.
Oh, Chris, on top.
So we're bolting the lowers in. Wick did the bushings. We put them in the brackets. We got our shims in. We made up our little nuts for the lower part here. Here, I'm gonna pull this up, Mike, so you can get under there. Ooh, artsy. So now we can snug these down, and then we can actually get our spindle in. I want to do our springs first, and then we'll do our spindles, radius arms, and then we can do our steering. We're gonna be pretty close by the end of the night. Go on.
Yeah.
Keep going, Peter. Peter's on the job.
Come on, you've been working out at the gym.
I know, but
Is he per chance using the 15/16 socket?
No,
no
3/4.
it's in there. We just saw
It's
it.
in the drawer.
Is it on this part?
Because you get it off.
Yeah. And most of the time you can do it by hand.
All right, let's see if we can get that in the fit. That's pretty far. We'll see if it'll fit. But if it doesn't, then Peter's got to crank a little more.
Come on, ladies.
There you go. Luna. Luna.
I do what I want. You can't tell me.
There
That was a good,
you go. Cranking down the spring compressor.
You see how you rejected me and now I'm wounded.
You basically got to go almost till it's coil bound.
Yep.
And then we pop that in.
Oh yeah. Is there a hole in the bottom?
There's a hole in there because the shot goes through. And you can take and crank it out. And then once it's out, you can go. Yeah, you can put the shock in and do all that. So, got it? Yeah, you're almost coil bound.
I'd lay it on its side.
You guys want to try and fit it? Let's see if it'll fit.
I think you're almost as tight as you can go.
So Peter, you asked me, how do we get this out, right?
Yeah.
Well, we go through the top where the shot goes and we undo it, and it'll take tension off this. Now this arm is as far down as it'll go. Yeah. So we have it aligned here in our spring seat. It's already lined up. So when you come up, we'll kind of hold this to make sure that that seat's in there. So, our spring is ready. Ooh, Grant, I think you got it. I think you're good. Now do this one.
For the next 60 years.
Now do this one.
That'll be somebody else breaking another.
So,
next guy has to take it off.
That's going to come. As soon as Grant's done tightening that up, we'll go up there, Peter, and I'll have you loosen it, and then we'll go do the other one.
So this holds it in place.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere, because this is down. This is actually down on the frame rail. Yes, because when we put our spindle in, it'll lift it up when the weight gets on it. So we're going to do that. Is that side ready for a spring, oh girl?
Yeah, girl.
Nice.
We got the thing in, the zerps are in, the
Perfect.
she's ready for
going to fit in here? Because you can't lift this up.
Because you put this on first, and then you bring this one up.
Oh, you already got it in.
Oh, this comes out.
Yeah, we bring this up, and then we'll do our radius on.
But this stays stationary.
Yeah, this stays flat. No one took anything from your Grant that we know of. Ask O Girl. I don't think so. But that's where we're at.
He's got a lot.